So before starting the Calc Assume part of the exam, the sort of things you should do to your ClassPad before you kind of go into the exam. So start off in main, and I'd clear all. And clear all variables are a good couple of things. In the settings menu, I'd go into basic format and choose normal 2 and tap set. That just avoids scientific notation on small numbers. At the bottom of the screen, I think we'll need decimal and degrees, although we don't do any trig. And then from the apps, things like statistics, go in there and clear it, go into sequence and clear it out. NumSolve, edit, clear all, there's something in there, clear it out. So that all the apps that you're likely to use, you've basically cleared them all out, and they're good to go. I've also grabbed a few programs. I've got the repay and also time series underneath it that we might use, not sure. And in the e-activity, there's file, open, and applications units 3 and 4. Let's open that one up so that one's ready to go in case I need any of these sort of standard formulas. So that's kind of getting your calculator ready for the exam.